Hi everyone, I'm Siu from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to enable auto upload on CapCut. This feature is essential because it automatically saves your projects to the cloud, allowing you to access them from different devices. So, let's get started on how to enable auto upload on CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, you can now see the auto upload option. Tap on it. Here, you can see the projects option. To enable auto upload, tap on the toggle switch right beside it and turn it on. And this is how you can enable auto upload on CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.